Now, Titan Production C, we proud to present Stickman. It's Stickman, Black and White Summer Cartoon. Stickman in ice cream, you scream for ice cream for ice cream. What a beautiful day for a walk, right, Stickman? That's right, Wendy. Hey, Stickman. What, Wendy? I'm gonna tell you something a little bit different. How about we can walk for ice cream? That'll be different. That's a great idea, Wendy. We're gonna walk for ice cream. Let's go. You gotta wait on the ice cream shop, Wendy. That's a great idea, Stickman. Let's wait on the ice cream shop together. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream for ice cream. Well, hello, Stickman Wendy. Hey, Stickman Wendy. Hey, ice cream man. What kind of ice cream? What kind of ice cream you want? Well, I want vanilla ice cream, please. Well, here I go. What you want, Wendy? I want chocolate, please. Chocolate ice cream, please. Thank you. Thank you for the ice cream man. You're welcome. Okay, Stickman, we got our ice cream. Let's eat. That's so good. A beat. Damn, folks.